Yiba Kids. Hi. We're in the bathroom right now, or should I say toilet? Anyways, now we're going to read words with O and I, close to each other. It makes a new sound, and it would sound like this. Oi. Say it again. Oi. I believe you will learn this easily. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. Oil. Oil. Boil. Boil. Coil. Coil. You know it's a coil if a thing is rolled or twisted into a shape. Anything that is in spiral or circular course is a coil. See the pictures? Spring is a coil, a mosquito coil also. I'm happy to share this to you. Coin. Coin. Soil. Soil. Foil. Foil. You know Kiss's chocolate? Yes, its wrapper is a foil. I think this is the best example for you to know what a foil is. Join. Join. Joint. Joint. Point. Point. Voice. Voice. Noise. Noise. Noisy. Noisy. You often hear this from your teacher when in class. Please don't be noisy. Hee hee. Poison. Poison. Kids. If you see a sign like this, never touch it and tell your mom and dad at once. It's best to stay away from it. It's very dangerous. I'm so relieved that I could share things like this with you to keep you safe. Toilet. Toilet. O-I is very simple, right? You did a very good job. It's very simple. Those are the most common words that you probably encounter day by day. Please do remember my advices. It's for your safety. You can go to the next step with two vowels close to each other. Video link is in the description.